Today, it's about those Thanksgiving leftovers. We'll show you a good one. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, spent time with family and friends. We certainly did. It was an absolute wonderful time, and listen, when Thanksgiving happens, it means we all end up with leftovers in our fridge. And we've got the same thing. Got some leftover stuffing here, got some leftover turkey meat, and then I've got some gravy I poured in here just because we're going to heat it up outside and easier than taking it out of the Tupperware. So let me show you what we're going to make, and we're going to do it right on the Blackstone. It's going to be simple, easy, and absolutely delicious. Just get a little butter down on here. Helps it out for sure. I just heated up the Blackstone. I've got that little gravy pot going over there. We just want to warm that up. We're going to start getting ready with some of our leftovers. I'm going to take some of my turkey, and I'm just going to toss it on the Blackstone and heat it up a little bit. We'll do that first, set it aside, and then we're going to make our stuffing base. I've just got some nice pieces of leftover turkey breast here.
We just want to stir our gravy every so often and make sure we don't scorch it on the bottom and get it nice and warm. This is just reheating up some leftovers.
We're just going to take some of our leftover stuffing here. Take this and we're going to pack it down into a nice thin layer. Doesn't have to be too pretty. Call it a stuffing pancake, if you will. All right, so after this guy's been on here for, I don't know, let's call it 5 or 6 minutes. We just want to flip it on over. Start getting the other side a little nice and warm all the way through, given that these are leftovers we're heating up. Let's get that turkey back over here. We'll add just a little bit more of that nice white meat turkey. Heat that up. I like to kind of move this around a little bit. I'm okay if this turkey breaks up. I kind of want it to be almost bite-sized pieces here. We're just wanting to warm that through. That's all we really want to do here. Heck, you could do this in the microwave. You could do it anywhere you want. All right, we are about ready for some assembly. So just take our nice stuffing pancake here, put it right on our plate. We're just going to take our turkey here, get that laid right on top of it. I missed. It's not a very good. That wasn't very good. That's why 2 spatulas works better. All right, that right on the top here. Should we get all that turkey right on there? Look at that. We're just gonna pour this right on here. Now I'm doing gravy, but I'll tell you, cranberry sauce isn't too bad on here either. Now that is the Thanksgiving leftover right here. It's fun to do out on the Blackstone. It's easy. It's a great way to use up what you have. And I love just taking a little bit of that base with some turkey and gravy on there. Away we go. It's all the best flavors of Thanksgiving. The gravy, the stuffing, and the meat. Like, that's it. It's the best part. But listen, make this your own. You could do anything you want on this. Cranberry sauce is good instead of the gravy. I've done this before with mashed potatoes instead of the stuffing. If you take cold mashed potatoes and you pat them together and make a patty, you can put those on the griddle, cook it on the bottom. It gets a nice crisp layer on it, smooth and creamy inside with another crisp layer on the outside. It's another great way to have leftovers, and it's unique and a little bit different. So I hope, well, if you have leftovers, I hope you try this. If you don't have leftovers, remember, turkey when it's on sale is not a bad deal. A lot of meat for a good price. It's like Thanksgiving all over again. Bye y'all. Safe and happy griddling.